8359, State of Texas versus Jasmine Madeline Vasquez. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins from the state.
Defense?
Libby Wiederman.
All right, and you're on this side and your client's in the middle.
This isn't just another court appearance. A revocation hearing means Jasmine already used up her get-out-of-jail free card. The stakes. Real jail time now. Buckle up.
And are you Ms. Vasquez?
Yes, ma'am.
Going to show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Jasmine Madeline Vasquez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 8359 for the offense of theft $750 to $2,500 on January 19, 2021 for a period of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 2 on or about the 6th day of December 2023.
Let's pause. Theft charges and a deferred adjudication? That's basically the court saying, we'll hold off on punishing you if you stay clean. Spoiler alert, she didn't.
In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Jasmine Madeline Vasquez, did then and there illegally use a controlled substance, namely violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
And Your Honor, we waive the other violations alleged in the motion.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2? Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, we're asking that you revoke the defendant's community supervision and sentence her to 91 days in the Bexar County Jail.
All right. And why is the suggestion for 91 days? What has she done? I'm assuming this 91 days is with anticipation that it'd be a judgment satisfied?
Yes.
All right, so what has she done on probation?
Judge, she's been on, her probation was extended, so she's been on probation for a total of 3 years. Her probation, I mean, obviously
Was she extended?
yes,
Okay.
she was extended 1 year, so she's been on for 3 years.
Okay.
Obviously,
Yeah.
her probation period has expired.
Yes.
She, obviously at the tail end was not doing well. She had positive drug tests.
Viewers, here's a question. Should relapse automatically mean jail time, or should the system offer more support? Drop your thoughts below, because this next part's a roller coaster.
Unfortunately, she had gotten herself back into a relationship with somebody that
Let me ask you this. If she's drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
negative.
All right, has she done a drug test?
Not today. She's been drug tested by pretrial services and she's been negative.
All right, if you have a drug test and you're not on oath yet, if you do a drug test today, what are the results going to be? All right, let's do a drug test. And let me explain something to you. If this is negative, great. If it's not, we'll see where we are. You understand? All right.
Where would you like her to go?
Oh, she'll sit there. They're going to,
Okay, they're going to do it here today?
yes.
Okay, perfect.
Do you need any water?
I have a soda in my bag.
Okay. All right, thank you.
Much later.
All right. You want to raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Jasmine Vasquez.
All right, are you employed?
I have a job interview today at 3.
All right, and what are you interviewing for?
It's in Selma, Texas. I'm interviewing to be an admin.
What are you going to be doing?
Screenshot that she sent me
My
about
email,
the
right?
email
I sent her
about the
a
job.
screenshot of the email.
All right, excuse me, one at a time, and you need to speak up.
I sent her the screenshot of the email confirming that I had a job interview today.
Live courtroom drug test. This is raw justice in real time. It's not just about clean results. It's a test of credibility, future, and trust. Who else is holding their breath?
No, I mean, I'm asking you, what is your job interview for?
That's what I was looking up.
Well, I mean, you don't know what
I'm
you're...
an admin for a building, but I forgot the name of it.
No, I'm not asking you for the name of the building. What job are you trying to acquire?
Oh, I just teach people how to use an app for the building that I work at, or the building that they work at. It's translating from English to Spanish.
Oh, okay. Do you have children?
I have to.
And what are their ages?
2-year-old. Well, she's going into in April, and the 6-year-old.
Judge, just so you know, the employer's name is Don Sanfilippo.
All right.
He owns the company or the building.
Okay. All right. So this is what probation is telling me. Probation is telling me that your lines are faint.
But it's still
Which-
just negative.
No, hear me out.
Okay.
She's telling me your lines are faint. And the two lines that are faint, if somebody were positive, those would be the two lines that would be faint. You understand?
Okay.
So, does it count as a negative? Yes. You know what's going on in your life better than what I know what's going on in your life. You can unfold your arms. Here's the thing. You know what you were doing. I wasn't there. Your attorney wasn't there. State wasn't there. What I am telling you is if you don't get your life in order, you know what's going to end up happening? Somebody may end up having to identify your body because the last time you used drugs may be the last time you used drugs. Then you know what end up happening? Your children are going to be in the system unless you have a relative who's going to step up. And if no relative steps up, you're saying you have a young baby who's 2? People love to adopt babies, right? And so your children may end up getting separated. But if you don't 100% get your life together and don't 100, are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes.
All right. The court is going to grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you to 91 days in the Bexar County Jail, give you credit for any time served, and the court will show that the judgment is satisfied. Going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. You better take heed and do right. You understand?
I'm trying.
Judge, she also has an appointment. She's been accepted to Rise Recovery
Yes.
outpatient.
Awesome.
And she starts tonight.
Okay, awesome. Well, you're no longer in probation in this court, but if something comes up, or you need some guidance on something, or you need some treatment and you can't find treatment, you can always come back here.
This moment right here, when the judge says someone might have to identify your body. That's more than sentencing. It's a warning shot to every lost soul watching. Hit pause and really think about that.
All right?
Thank you so much.
All right, good luck to you. Thanks for dressing appropriately for court. And good luck on your interview. My mom always says if they give you the interview, that means you have the job.
It's a second interview, so
Oh.
we're hoping.
Oh, yeah, you have the job then. Go in there with confidence.
Does she need to do a print?
Oh, yeah. They'll just ask the deputy.